Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it was for a student to get in trouble and find the passwords for other users in the system. So I'm going to do a quick PWD. You'll see that I am on the system in the root directory on the first storage device on the lexicon file server. And I'm going to cd into the config directory. And this is the directory that would be like the etc directory on a modern Unix system. And there's a password file in there called pass. And I'm just going to cat that file. And this stores the user counts for every user on the lexicon file server. And these are the 4 default users that were on a freshly installed lexicon. The root user with the password super user, supervisor user with the password maintenance. Someone might log in as this to install software. The teacher user, the password was control. Makes sense. And the home directory was user teacher. And it ran the .login login script in that directory when you logged in. And then if you didn't want to make user accounts for all your students, you could just tell everyone to log in as icon with no password, and they would be placed in user icon and they would see everyone else's files. But that was pretty common, especially in elementary schools. And it would also execute the .login script when you first logged in as well. So you could put commands in there. So knowing this, you could easily re-log in as the root user. And I'm going to log in as super user. There we go. I'm connected. I'm using node 18, the icon computer, ArcNet node 18, connected to the lexicon file server node 1 in the first ArcNet LAN cluster 1. There we go. And now I could run, really cool commands like APB, all points bulletin, and say things like Mr. Dodd listens to Duran. And then that would actually send that message out to every icon machine on the ArcNet cluster, the ArcNet LAN, and everyone would see that message. And if the teacher saw it, you'd probably get in trouble, or they would start getting angry, right? So you'd have a lot of fun with this in the classroom. You could send messages back and forth as well.